The Qlife Racer Electric Bike for adults is a compelling option for those seeking a blend of performance, durability, and modern aesthetics in a mountain e-bike. With its 21-speed gearing system and a robust electric motor, this bike is engineered to cater to both casual riders and serious enthusiasts. Having spent considerable time testing this bike across various terrains, I can confidently provide an in-depth review based on its features, performance, comfort, and overall value. Design and build quality. First impressions matter, and the Qlife Racer does not disappoint. The sleek frame design is both attractive and functional, constructed from high-quality aluminum alloy that strikes a balance between lightweight and sturdy. The bike's geometry is designed for optimal riding posture, ensuring that the rider remains comfortable even during long rides. The matte finish not only enhances its visual appeal but also helps in resisting scratches and wear over time. The bike comes equipped with 26-inch wheels, which offer excellent stability and control. This size is particularly beneficial for mountain biking, as it allows for better traction on uneven surfaces. The suspension system, featuring front forks, absorbs shocks effectively, providing a smoother ride over rocky terrain or route-laden paths. Overall, the construction quality feels premium, which is reassuring given the investment involved. Performance and speed. The Qlife Racer is powered by a 250W brushless motor, delivering a commendable amount of torque and speed. Its pedal assist system offers 3 levels of assistance: low, medium, and high, allowing riders to customize their experience based on the terrain and their fitness level. The 21-speed gear system further enhances performance, enabling seamless shifting that accommodates various riding conditions, whether it's steep ascents or flat stretches. During testing, the bike reached speeds upwards of 20 miles per hour without much effort. The throttle response is impressive, allowing for quick acceleration when needed. The electric assistance kicks in smoothly, making climbs less daunting and long rides more manageable. The bike's range, supported by a 36V lithium-ion battery, is another strong point. Depending on usage, riders can expect a range of 20 to 40 miles on a single charge, which is adequate for most recreational rides. Comfort and handling. Comfort is crucial for any bike, especially for extended rides. The Qlife Racer excels in this aspect, thanks to its adjustable seat that accommodates riders of different heights. The saddle is well padded and ergonomically designed, reducing fatigue even after hours of cycling. The handlebar height can also be adjusted, promoting an upright riding position that minimizes strain on the back and neck. Handling is another area where the Qlife Racer shines. The combination of a responsive steering system and well-balanced weight distribution makes maneuvering through tight turns and technical sections a breeze. The bike's braking system, featuring front and rear disc brakes, provides reliable stopping power, which instills confidence while riding at higher speeds or downhill. The brakes are responsive and require minimal effort to engage, ensuring safety in various conditions. Additional features. One of the standout features of the Qlife Racer is its integrated LED headlight and taillight, which enhance visibility during low-light conditions. This is particularly valuable for those who enjoy evening rides or commuting through urban settings. Additionally, the bike comes with a digital display that provides essential information such as speed, distance traveled, battery level, and assistance mode, allowing riders to stay informed throughout their journey. The Qlife Racer also supports a variety of accessories, making it versatile for different uses. Whether you're planning a casual ride, a mountain trail adventure, or even urban commuting, this bike can adapt to your needs. The inclusion of a rear rack and fender mounts adds to its practicality, allowing for the attachment of bags or additional gear. Conclusion. Overall, the Qlife Racer Electric Bike for adults is an impressive offering that meets the needs of a wide range of riders. Its robust design, powerful performance, and thoughtful features combine to create an enjoyable riding experience. While it may not be the most budget-friendly option on the market, the quality, comfort,